Finally, Taxnalyst has been launched. So this is how it works. You can access it via taxnalyst.vese.app. But before that, let me just show you how it works. So as you can see at the header here, we have the calculator, we have the law library, we have the AI assistants, the filing guide, the state IRS, the statements, and about basically. So know exactly what you owe and nothing more. So Nigeria Tax intelligence platform for freelancers, self-employed professionals, and every income earner. So for you to calculate, analyze, and file your tax without confusion. So we have the dates, 36 states covered, the PITA and the NTA, both the new tax law and everything integrated to it, and also it's 100% free. So these are the tools that are available. We have the tax calculator, we have the AI analyzer. The tax calculator enables you to, you know, gross income, the exact liability, the CRA, the pension, and everything. It helps you calculate how much you are supposed to pay for your tax so you don't end up paying or declaring uh, higher than you were supposed to. We have the AI statement analyzer. This is going to be live soon. We haven't integrated the AI API yet. So it's going to be integrated soon and it's going to be live as soon as possible. So whereby you just have to upload your bank statement and it will analyze everything and tell you what is taxable and what is not. So that is what is in there. We have the AI test assistance. That one is you can ask questions in respect like you can ask it question about tax and everything is going to answer. You have the filing guide, step by step how to file your tax for all 36 states in Nigeria. The IRS portal, the thing, how to get your TIN, tax identification number, your remittance payment, and everything is going to be there. So, like I said, this is a tax calculator. So, right here we have annual gross income. Let's take, for example, my annual gross income was 500, let's say 800,000 naira. So that should be, let's see how much that gives me. No, I'm not paying pension. I'm a freelancer, so it means I'm going to be paying 36,400. That is my tax. So I can print a report basically. It gives you access to, you see, tax analyst is, we are ready. So it gives you access to print your report actually. So before even the tax platform gives you that report. So that's for that. Then this is the tax law and the law library. So it's kind of simplify tax law for you and just make you understand some major important things. And these are some of them. What count as taxable income? You can see some of them there and what's taxable and what's not. Basically, you can see them as the freelance, consulting fee, salaries and wages, business profit, blah blah. What's not taxable is your loan, the loan you received, gift, remittance, blah blah, and the likes of all those things. You will see them. Just go through the platform. This is the AI aspect. So these are the questions you can actually ask this AI. Is my OPay pass through money taxable? Where is the difference between PITA and NTA? Basically, you can just ask it and it's going to give you the answer. So this is it. It's going to give you the answer there. And how to file your tax, like I said, this is, you know, this get how to you see number one to number seven, get your team, how to gather your documents, how to calculate your tax, how to log into IRS, how to complete your form, how to pay your balance, get your TCC, tax certificate, and everything. Like I said, this is an all-in-one. It shows you everything step by step, so you can go through it. You can go through it. One, two, three, four. You can see seven, five, six, seven. So penalties for non-compliance of tax, everything is all there. Then these are the all 36 states. You can check your zone. Let's say the Southwest. If it's Lagos, you can just click on it. It's going to take you directly to the LIRS Lagos filing platform straight. So everything has been integrated. Everything has been integrated. So that is it for Google. All of them. See the website there, how to file and everything is all there. And this is the AI analyzer where you just upload your bank statement and everything is. Let me load a demo for you. So we have a demo. Like I said, it's going to be up soonest. This is a demo. So it's going to be up soonest, hopefully. Let's just see how it goes in classification tax summary. So this is how much confirmed taxable income 1.1 million, excluded, non-taxable by law 1.5 million. So you can just send it directly to calculator. Calculator will then tell you, okay, how much you have to pay for your tax, which is 75,000 naira. So that is where we, okay, that is it. So then this is about the founder, that is me. You can check out my platforms and whatever I'm doing on social. You can just follow me on social media um to keep in touch. Then this if you have any questions, whatever, just reach out to us. We'll be very much available to answer your questions. If you, like I said, it's a web app, so you can save it. So you can save it. See, add. No, 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 no. That's what I'm supposed to do. Supposed to be add to home screen. Yeah, Taxnalyst know what you owe. Add to home screen. So this is it. Click on it. Takes you here directly. So that's it for all you need to know about Taxnalysts. You are welcome.